Welcome back to my channel. I'm Michelle and I'm just a downtown mom living my life. I wanted to share with you today something really great. I know that you've probably seen it on Amazon because it's one of the #1 selling products. And it is the Aztec Secret Healing Clay. It's hugely recommended on Amazon. Again, it's one of the most purchased products, and I'm going to show you how to use it and give you my thoughts on it. But before I do, I'm going to ask you to please subscribe. Go ahead and do it. Just subscribe and follow along on this journey. My face is totally naked. I don't have anything on it. So I'm going to try this clay mask. I've tried it with water, and on the back with the directions it says you can either use water or apple cider vinegar. So I'm going to go ahead and try it with apple cider vinegar this time. I got the really big jar because I figured it would just last me a really long time that way. So it comes in a powder form. So I'm just going to take this scooper that I use for actually my bleach and peroxide, but I'm gonna fill it up and put it into this plastic bowl, and then I'm just gonna take a capful at a time of apple cider vinegar, and I'm just using a store brand apple cider vinegar, not the expensive stuff, and take a capful at a time. Ooh, it's fizzing, how fun. And then I'm just going to go ahead and start blending it in. It's gonna take quite a bit. Okay, so it took about 4 or 5 capfuls. I probably could have gone with just about half of a capful less. The consistency is a little bit more liquid than I would have wanted, but it's pretty perfect. I'm also going to use this brush to put it on, just so that I don't get my hands and my manicure all crazy. But I have to say the big difference between using the water and the apple cider vinegar is that it is so much smoother and less lumpy and a much better consistency using the vinegar rather than the water. With the water, it was kind of lackluster and very lumpy. With the apple cider vinegar, it looks and feels like clay. So I'm really excited to try this. After I put on the first layer, I still have plenty of clay left. So I'm gonna do a second layer so it's really good and thick. But I think probably next time I could have just gone with using less of the powder. So there it is. So I'm going to let it dry fully and then wash it off. I'll let you know how long it takes to dry. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes on the packaging. It says to leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes, it's mostly dry. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wash it off now. But I don't think it would hurt if you wanted to leave it on for like another 5 minutes and let it fully dry. But let's see how my skin feels after it's all off. I let the tap water get hot, and then I'm using this silicone scrubber to get it all cleared off my face. And then I'm just going to use a simple soap to get whatever's left on off. And that's it. My skin feels really clean, really smooth. Tremendously better results using the apple cider vinegar to mix the formula than the water. So definitely recommend it. I'm super happy with it. My skin feels brand new. So I can see why it is one of the most popular products on Amazon and why it gets great reviews and everybody loves it. Highly, highly recommend Aztec Secrets Healing Clay.